Okay, this is about equivalent equations. That's quite a sentence, isn't it? So two equations are equivalent if you can get from one to the other by repeatedly adding a number to both sides, subtracting a number from both sides, multiplying both sides by a number other than 0, dividing both sides, blah, 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 right? So this is extensive. So it says to solve an equation algebraically, repeatedly find an equivalent equation simpler, for example. Okay, so when I look at this, I say, okay, I'm going to take 2. So that's something, that's subtracting a number from both sides. So I can say that 5x equal to 30 is an equivalent equation to this one. Okay, they're equations that will yield the same answer. That's all it means. So as we go through the steps, each time I get an equivalent equation. So what it's saying is that that and that and that will all yield the same answer. So it says to check a solution, substitute the unknown value into both sides and see if the equation is true. So that's what happened up here. They took the left-hand side, 5x plus 2, and they put a 6, the thing we got, where the x is. So they got 30 plus 2 is 32. And then they took the right-hand side, and the right-hand side is 32, so that we know this answer is right. There's a check. Okay, so this one says, solve the following algebraic solutions, or equations algebraically, and then check your solution by substitution. So I think everybody realizes that I would add 4 to get this one. I'm going to take the 20 and I'm going to put it into the right-hand side, left-hand side, sorry. Left-hand side is this side. 20 minus 4 equals 16. The right-hand side is 16, so I know I did it right. That's the check. Let's do this one. Take 7, because I'm adding, I take. So 2u equals 10, divide by 2, divide by 2, u equals 5. Now I go left-hand side. 2 times what's there, u, it is now 5, plus 7 is equal to 10 plus 7, which is 17. The right-hand side is 17, so I know I did the right thing because I get the same thing both times. Okay, this one, the 40 is positive, so I take it. Take 40, take 40. Now some of you might need to use your calculator. That's fine. 22 minus 40 is negative 18. Okay, do it on your, oops, sorry, I'm off the page. Do it on your calculator if you have trouble with that subtraction. Now I divide by whatever's in front of the x, and what's in front of the x is negative, so I have to divide by negative 3. Divide by negative 3. X equals a negative divided by a negative is a positive, so I get 6. So my check says left-hand side is 40 minus 3 times 6. 40 minus 3 times 6 is 40 minus 18, which equals 22. Tick, because right-hand side is 22. Okay, there's your problems.